Don't panic, we're not going to go too far here. Okay, now this is a special sum that you need not memorize because you'll never have to do this on the AP. But I will tell you what the special sum is because I looked on the other page. Because I don't have them memorized either. Yeah, this is n plus 1, all over 2, all squared. Yeah. So you would have to do some algebra to get this to a nice place. Actually, I don't think the algebra is all that bad. It's not all that bad, really. Can I leave out that limit for a minute and come back and grab it later? We might as well do this because we're close. We're close. Here we go. N squared. Okay, I'm going to FOIL this. Ready-o? N squared plus 2n plus 1 all over 4. Let's cancel here. Yeah. Okay. So now we've got, let's take this out. N squared plus 2n plus 1. This actually was not a bad one. Okay. So, plus 2n over 4n squared plus 1 over 4n squared. Let me go grab my limit. Oh, thanks. Yep. Okay, here we go. This is a fourth. This is 1 over 2n. Yeah? So the question remains, what is this limit? If I put infinities in the bottom here, what happens? Bye-bye. So final answer? So the area for this is exactly 1/4. Exactly. The beauty is, were this the AP, you get to stop like right here. You don't have to do all this other business down to the bottom. For this particular one, had we numbers, had we like 5s, let's say, 5 rectangles, you'd have 5s in here. For this was just kind of a simpler one where we didn't have to add a whole string of numbers. This next one you'll see a little bit more. Yeah, yeah, you're adding all the rectangles together. And you have a nice little program on your calculator. I'll show you that we'll do that as well. Okay, let's go here. Uh-oh. Oh, there. Okay, can you read this okay? It's not too bad? I gotta practice. It's not easy. All right, let me come over here and see if I can draw another rectangle here. Okay, good. It's rough, but you get the idea. So now we have a parabola, and we want to go, this is a little bit different than we've ever done. Here's the different part. That's not 0. Now we want to look between 1 and 2. Even though I drew them a little farther out, I can't draw because I'm too shaky with this thing. But we're only doing the ones between 1 and 2. And we're going to use an infinite number, so we're going to get the exact area.
No, is that a right endpoint or left endpoint?
These are rights. Okay. But for this problem, it won't matter, because we're just going to use the easy ones. So let's go do base. So delta x, you know this by heart now probably, b minus a over n. So for us it's 2 minus 1 over n, or 1 over n, again. No. Depends on what the a and the b are. Okay. Trouble is, when I go to do my endpoints now, okay, usually I can just start counting 1 over n, 2 over n, 3 over n, 4 over n, but I want to start at 1 this time. So this one can't be 1 over n anymore. It's actually 1 plus 1 over n, right? The next one, the next rectangle will be 1 plus 2 over n, 1 plus 3 over n, and so on. So the only difference is there's going to be a 1 in front of them, or whatever number you start at. If you started at -2, it would be -2 plus. So that's the only real difference with this problem. So for the endpoints, and like I said, it doesn't matter whether they're right or left or whatnot, but I do need the 1 plus. And remember, just like before now, I over n, or 1 over n times I, same thing. So here we go. N goes to infinity. N rectangles, summing up the first n, base times height. Base is 1 over n. Height, f of, put the endpoint in, right? Okay. I hate writing this limit 100 times. Okay. So if you want, the 1 over n can come through. It doesn't have to. It's up to you. Okay. Now remember, this has got to go back up here into the parabola. So the parabola is 4 minus, here was where the x was. Okay. This, it would be terribly ugly if we went through and did every single thing. Why would it be terribly ugly? I'd have to FOIL it, first of all, and then I would split it into 3 of these because there are going to be 3 numbers here. Okay, so I don't want to do it because you're not going to have to know how to do it. So I'll say dot, dot, dot. Okay, because I want to actually do a couple practice ones with you. Okay, so you'll need your page 280. You'll need 280. And you'll need paper. 280 and paper. And we're going to do some problems together exactly like those which you'll see on your homework. Oh, I don't need paper, do I? Oh, can I not get a... I just want a clean piece of paper. Why won't it let me? Oh, there. Oh, oh. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with number 12. Let's start with number 12. Is everybody with me? 280?